Everybody asking, what is the 14-day Blitz? I'm behind the paywall. I'm going to show you what the 14-day Blitz is. Everyone's asking, but it's a traffic engine to get your link noticed and to get sales by the 7th day. And it's 14 days because you rinse and repeat. This is the 14-day Blitz. It's free to use inside of the vault. Just click the link in the description. Basically, I walk you through 14 days for you to get traffic to your Shopify store, your affiliate link, whatever you name it. It works. It's high operating system. It's targeted traffic. It's targeted traffic, not just posting and praying. I walk you through how to find topics and things that people are looking for already, and then you blitz it. Next steps, the links in the bio. 0 clicks. Nobody clicks anything. That's what I'm here to fix. So your first day, you get your signal. Second day, third day, I walk you through every step, step by step. Down here is the interaction. Once you get through all these steps, I explain what all this means down here. And you want to get your income. And as you go, your high pass bar goes up. And I'm offering this cheat code for $1. You can get the full factory. This is just the traffic blitz. This is just a teaser to show you how the machine works. But this will 32x your traffic if you follow all the steps. In the inside of the factory, for $1, you get the AI search hustle. I show you how to use AI to find what people are already looking for. And the 14-day activation sprint. I show you how to build a product from scratch and then launch it with a 7-day launch. And once your product is launched, you go through this 14-day blitz. Or you can go through it before you have a product. If you already have a product or affiliate links, you can use the blitz for whatever you want traffic to. You can use it to send people to your TikTok if you're trying to go viral, your Instagram, your music link, whatever. But the system works. Full factory makes it 10 times faster. $1 activates your full factory today. This is not paid programming. This is the engine that I built myself. This version right here is free. This is just the overview to help you get your traffic going. If you want the full step-by-step and all of the free bonuses and the resource stack and the tools, join the vault. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay paid.